Before it became a muscle car legend, the Mustang was just an idea. A vision of freedom, speed, and something America had never seen before. In the early 1960s, Ford wasn't chasing power. It was chasing people. Designers shaped more than metal here. They shaped a movement. When the Mustang launched in 1964, it wasn't the fastest car on the road, but it felt personal, affordable, stylish. Suddenly, performance wasn't just for the elite. And when Carroll Shelby touched it, the Mustang learned how to fight. By the late 60s, subtlety was gone. The Mustang grew louder, wider, and more aggressive. It wasn't just transportation anymore, it was a statement. The Boss 429 wasn't built to look good, it was built to dominate. But power has a price. As the Mustang grew heavier, the world around it began to change. When the oil crisis hit, muscle cars didn't just slow down, they lost their reason to exist. The Mustang too wasn't loved, but it was necessary. Smaller engines, lighter bodies. Survival mattered more than speed. The name lived on, even if the muscle didn't. The Fox body era was about reinvention. Boxy, modern, practical. Behind closed doors, Ford questioned everything, even whether the Mustang should still exist. Fans answered louder than executives ever could. Then came the comeback. The 5.0 returned, burnouts returned, and the Mustang remembered who it was. The SVT Cobra proved one thing: the legend wasn't done yet. In the 90s and early 2000s, the Mustang evolved with the times. Smoother lines, better handling, and with the Terminator Cobra, forced induction became the new addiction. In 2005, Ford looked backward and moved forward. Retro design met modern engineering. With the return of the 5.0 and the Shelby GT500, the muscle car era officially reborn. For the first time, the Mustang was built for the world. Independent rear suspension, track-focused monsters. The GT500 wasn't just fast, it was engineered. Then came the moment that divided fans forever. An electric Mustang. Without an engine, technology moved forward, but the question remained: what makes a Mustang a Mustang? From track weapons like the GTD to electric concepts redefining performance, the Mustang's future isn't about cylinders or fuel. It's about whether a legend can evolve without losing its soul.